Alright, y'all. I am whooped. I've been canning 30 cans of tomatoes, 13 cans of, actually 29 cans of tomatoes. Beautiful. Beautiful. 13 cans of corn, and I mean they are jam-packed. I bashed them down. They are. I can't wait to try them. I'm gonna give them a couple weeks. It's always good to give them a couple weeks in storage, give them time, but I want to see what they taste like. My mouth's watering because I want to eat corn right now. Y'all, I went out and picked tomatoes again today. Y'all, oh my goodness, beautiful big giant beastie tomatoes. I mean, monsters. Oh gosh. And I threw away at least this many because of because of bugs. I didn't realize I had that in there. I'll let that one try. But I mean, just beautiful tomatoes. Look at the size of that thing. No bugs on that one. This one will ripen up, and I'll just have to cut that little split. That's not a bug, that's a split. So, you know, big, beautiful. Look at that bright creme. Got all that splotching, that's from them dang bugs. Them leaf-legged bugs. That right there, that's a celebrity. Nope. That's a beefsteak. That's a celebrity right there, I believe. I don't know. I'm just so many tomatoes. I had to pick some of them right when they were getting, because they were just falling off. This one right here, it's gonna turn, but well, see, I don't know. That's just a big, beautiful tomato. It's gonna turn. That's a black creme. Oh man. So many just beautiful tomatoes in there. Woohoo! Here we go. I thought I was almost done, but not even close. Cucumbers. More tomatoes. Oh, Lord. Zucchini, squashes, and cucumbers. Man. Wow. Okay. So, we're in full swing. Full harvest mode. I'm setting back the corn harvest. Everybody knows, if you watch my channel, you know I was devastated by the corn. But hey, look, I got 13 jars of jam-packed corn set away. This is sweet corn. I'll see if I get any of that field corn to go. You know, hopefully, I might get, if I get half of this, you know, 20 jars of corn. That's gonna be great. That's something I didn't have before that I created on this property, and I'm gonna learn how the drought this year got me. The drought is so bad. It was horrible. Now, since I had raised beds, I was able to really water and take care of the tomatoes, so I got a ton of those. But corn really just got. It's a bad year. I had a good year not too long, like a couple years back when I did corn. The only problem is the squirrels ate it because it was so beautiful. This year, you know, I got corn. I'm gonna eat corn, and we're just gonna step back more food. This is food grown on this land. Can't ask for anything better. All right, y'all.